Hello, we are WERC Team 2. I'm Allison, this is Clark, Avery, and Jake, and we are here at New Mexico State University on behalf of Built World Enterprise, sponsored by General Motors, at the 33rd Annual WERC Environmental Design Competition.
The WERC Environmental Design Competition is an engineering competition where various enterprises and other schools can compete in creating solutions to pressing environmental issues that currently do not have solutions, and also presenting business plans for the implementation of these solutions.
There are a total of 6 tasks we could choose from. We chose task 4, which is to quantify and detect microplastics in reservoirs. This needs to happen in real time, in 30 minutes or less, and our device needs to be portable and able to use on a watercraft. We have developed a process including separation using froth rotation and quantification using ImageJ, coupled with a microscope phone attachment camera.
Finally, we compete in a variety of different tasks, focused on environmental regulations, business plans, as well as public involvement plans. First, we submit a 27 to 32-page written report covering all of these topics. Then at the actual competition, we compete in a 15-minute oral presentation covering our topic. There's a 4-minute business flash talk that we compete in. And finally, our bench skill demonstration, highlighting our process and our solution to task 4. Thank you for your time.
Hello, we're WERC Team 1. We're here in New Mexico to present our filtration system for lagoon wastewater reuse in rural communities in the Southwest.
So first we begin with our trickling filter here. The water will aerate and then go through the filter. We have lava rocks on top and then sand, and then it'll filter out.
And next we have our disinfection system through pasteurization. These heat lamps are mimicking the sun, and we have reflectors to maximize the heat in the water. And these pipes will heat up the water up to 60 degrees Celsius, and then the total coliform will be inactivated.
We did 2 presentations already. We're super excited to be here, and follow along on Built World Enterprise's Instagram. Woo!
Hi, this is Tanya and Dylan from the Engineers Without Borders team in Built World Enterprise. We are currently working with 2 adjacent communities in Guatemala, Canton and Fronterizo, and we are traveling there this May for a monitoring and assessment trip. So in Canton, we will be assessing the conditions of a gravity-fed springbox system that was constructed in 2022. This picture here shows the springbox being constructed.
Yeah, and then Fronterizo, we're planning to implement a bored 30-meter deep well in the community with automated pumping system, since the wells our chapter built previously are struggling to provide year-round water. The photos shown here are an existing well and pump in the community that was built from our chapter. So here is a hand-drawn schematic on the left of the automated pumping system, and a photo of us on the right soldering the connections for our first prototype that was tested on Friday. When we travel, we'll install this prototype in an existing well so that we know it'll work in the community. Thank you.
Hey everyone, we are the EPA Campus Rainworks Challenge team with Built World Enterprise. The project we are working on involves stormwater management practices around the parking lot of the administration building off of US 41 here on campus.
This parking lot has a drainage problem, and we wanted to take the task of finding a green solution to this issue that would prevent future flooding.
The goal of this project is to produce an alternative design for the parking lot, taking into account the volume of water that accumulates in the lot during a storm event.
Through the use of green infrastructure and low-impact development, there would be a significant reduction in drainage issues caused by excess runoff and an increase in infiltration of water into the surrounding area.
This has been an ongoing project for the past few semesters, and we are planning on submitting it to the competition in the spring of next year.
Thank you.